If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The Document View buttons in Word for Microsoft 365 are a group of buttons in the lower right corner of the application. They also appear on the View tab of the ribbon in the Views button group and the Immersive button group. You can click these buttons to change the working view of your document. By default, Word opens in the Print Layout view, which is the view most commonly used for standard document creation. Unless otherwise specified by a lesson, you can assume the document view referenced by this tutorial's lessons refers to the Print Layout view. This view lets you see the document as it will look when printed. This view shows margins, page breaks, and header and footer information. You can switch between the different document views as needed. Each has its own use in the program. The different document views are Read Mode, Print Layout, Web Layout, Outline, and Draft. There is also a Focus Mode button that appears in both the status bar and the Immersive button group on the View tab of the ribbon. This same button group also includes an Immersive Reader view. You should select the view that works best for the document you are trying to create in Word. The different document views and their purposes within Word are discussed in more detail in the lesson titled Changing Document Views in the Document Views chapter of this tutorial. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.